Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another flight report by Boeing Infinity. This video was filmed on November 22nd, 2023, covering Delta Flight 3635 on the Embraer 175 from Pittsburgh to New York. This is a 1-hour flight flying 360 miles. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy my video. Thank you. Alright guys, we're back at Pittsburgh International Airport, this time checking in with Delta Airlines DL3635 to New York JFK. Here we are. Alright guys, just got my boarding pass. This time I'm on Delta 3635 to New York JFK on the Embraer 175, gate D76. Okay, let's hit it, boys. Alright, approaching the TSA. So after TSA, we take the air train and then we arrive at the airside terminal. Alright, taking the train to terminal A, B, C, and D. Alright guys, there is our aircraft right there, the Delta Connection E-175, registered N311SY. This aircraft will take me back to New York JFK Airport. I'm boarding at gate D76, which is right over there, and let's head to it. We'll be boarding in 20 minutes.
Comfort Plus, you're welcome to board.
Thank you. Alright, let's do this. Good morning, ma'am. 9D.
All right, so you'll be on the left-hand side.
Thank you.
Good morning. If it is full, feel free to close it. We ask that you please step out of the aisle to allow our passengers.
We're expecting just a few bumps on today's flight. Do our best to find some smooth air when possible. Current weather in JFK, it is 53 degrees Fahrenheit, partly cloudy skies, and forecasted for some gusty winds upon our arrival. We got Jody and Loretta on the back here for your comfort and your safety. Please pay full attention. Be underway in a few minutes here. Good morning, look for.
2. We're in the air.
JFK, be landing in right around 19 to 20 minutes. Plan on picking up a little bit of turbulence in just a couple minutes around the descent. So we had the flight attendant take her seat just a little bit early, seatbelt signs on, and I'll stay on the duration of the flight. Ground to gate Bravo 36, B36. Thanks for flying with us.
Alright guys, we got some turbulence right over here, just above New Jersey right now. We'll be landing in another 18 to 20 minutes. We're landing at JFK. There's a Singapore Airlines A350 and an Air India 777-300ER, and there is Terminal 4, where we're going to be at, and now we are landing. Woohoo! There is the iconic Terminal 1. I see a Turkish Airlines A330 and an Air France A350. Another Air France A350. But anyways, we landed at JFK, safe and sound. Thank you, Delta. There we are, gate 36. Thank you for flying us.
Have a good one.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy Delta Airlines. Thank you.